Friends, welcome back to our weekly tools channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest tools to make your life easier. Today, we are diving deep into the THINKCAR ThinkScan Plus S7 OBD2 scanner, one of the most talked about diagnostic tools on the market. Whether you're a DI car enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this scanner promises to pack some serious punch. But is it worth it? Stick around to find out. First impressions, it's sleek, compact, and definitely feels professional. But we're not here to just admire it, we're going to test it. Explore all the features, talk about its pros and cons, and see if this is the right tool for you. Alright, let's talk features. Here's what the THINKCAR ThinkScan Plus S7 brings to the table. Full system diagnostics. This scanner isn't just your basic OBD2 tool that gives you engine codes. It works with all major car systems like ABS, airbags, transmission, and more. It's a full system scanner right in your hands. Touch screen display. Look at this. A crystal clear, 5-inch touchscreen. Navigating through the options is as easy as scrolling on your phone. Wi-Fi updates. This scanner stays up to date with online updates via Wi-Fi. That means no messing with SD cards or USB-S, folks. Just connect, update, and go. Wide vehicle coverage. It supports over 100 car brands, both domestic and imported, making it ideal for a variety of vehicles. Battery health check and live data. You can monitor everything from battery status to real-time data like RPM, speed, and temperature from multiple sensors. Fast, powerful, and super intuitive. But enough talk about features. Let's see how it performs in action. Okay, I have the THINKCAR ThinkScan Plus S7 hooked up to my vehicle. Connecting it was a breeze. You just plug it into the OBD2 port, and the device powers up immediately. No additional setup required. The touchscreen is super responsive. Right now, I'm running a full system diagnostic on this car. It's scanning for trouble codes across all the systems, and wow, it's quick. It not only tells you what the issue is, but also gives a detailed description, so there's no confusion. For example, we've got a P0304 error here, which is a cylinder misfire. The great part? If you're not sure what to do, this device offers maintenance advice and troubleshooting tips. As you can see, this scanner is ideal for DIers who want to tackle problems themselves and for professionals who need a reliable, fast tool. But what are the drawbacks? Let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: comprehensive diagnostics, full OBD2 functions, lifetime free updates, portable and durable. Value for money. Cons: limited free resets, no bidirectional control, software configuration. Honestly, the pros far outweigh the cons, especially for what this scanner offers. But is it worth the price? That really depends on what you need. So is the THINKCAR ThinkScan Plus S7 the ultimate OBD2 scanner? For advanced diagnostics and professional-grade features, I'd say yes. It's a tool that can save you both time and money by identifying problems fast and accurately. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time mechanic, this scanner could be a game-changer for you. If you're interested in checking it out, I've included a link in the description where you can learn more and grab one for yourself. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more deep dives into the best tools for your car. Got questions about the THINKCAR ThinkScan Plus S7? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help.